Breaking news: millions of Americans are turning to small claims court to settle disputes over finances, investments, and property. The latest statistics reveal that approximately 15 million cases are filed annually, with claimants seeking an average of $5,000 in compensation. As the economy continues to evolve, the number of cases is expected to rise. With the help of technology, such as Google's online legal resources, navigating the court system has become more accessible. However, the process can still be daunting for those without experience. That's why it's essential to understand the ins and outs of small claims court. Welcome to our channel, where we provide exclusive insights and expert analysis on the latest developments in finance, investment, and law. If you're looking for the best advice on how to navigate small claims court, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. By doing so, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your financial and legal affairs, whether you're an individual or a business owner, and stay ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced world, where companies like Apple and Amazon are constantly innovating and disrupting industries. Historically, small claims court has been an essential part of the U.S. legal system, providing a platform for individuals and businesses to resolve disputes without the need for lengthy and expensive trials. The concept of small claims court dates back to the early 20th century, when it was first introduced as a way to simplify the legal process and make it more accessible to the general public. Since then, the court has undergone significant changes, with the introduction of new technologies and procedures aimed at improving efficiency and reducing costs. Today, small claims court is a critical component of the U.S. justice system, with thousands of cases being heard every day, and companies like Tesla and Google playing a significant role in shaping the legal landscape. Now, let's dive into the main story. Filing a lawsuit in small claims court can be a daunting task, especially for those without experience. However, with the right guidance, it can be a relatively straightforward process. The first step is to determine whether your case is eligible for small claims court, which typically handles cases involving amounts up to $10,000. Once you've established that your case is eligible, you'll need to prepare your claim, which involves gathering evidence and filling out the necessary paperwork. It's essential to have a solid understanding of the legal process and the best strategies for presenting your case, which is where our expert advice comes in, covering topics such as finance, investment, and insurance. But that's not all. Once you've prepared your claim, you'll need to file it with the court, which typically involves paying a filing fee and serving the defendant with a summons. The defendant will then have a chance to respond to your claim, and the case will be scheduled for a hearing. During the hearing, both parties will have the opportunity to present their case, and the judge will make a decision based on the evidence presented. It's critical to be well prepared and to have a solid understanding of the legal process to ensure the best possible outcome, whether you're an individual or a business owner, and to stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced market, where companies like Amazon and Google are constantly innovating and disrupting industries. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss. When it comes to small claims court, the key to success lies in preparation and presentation. It's essential to have a solid understanding of the legal process and to be well prepared to present your case. This includes gathering evidence, filling out paperwork, and preparing a clear and concise argument. By doing so, you'll be able to increase your chances of winning your case and getting the compensation you deserve, whether you're seeking to recover a debt, resolve a dispute over a mortgage or real estate transaction, or simply looking for justice. As we take a closer look at the process, it's clear that small claims court can be a complex and challenging environment. However, with the right guidance and preparation, it's possible to navigate the system and achieve a successful outcome. One of the most critical aspects of small claims court is the gathering of evidence, which can include everything from witness statements to financial records. By presenting a strong case and being well prepared, you'll be able to increase your chances of winning and getting the compensation you deserve, whether you're an individual or a business owner, and to stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced market, where companies like Tesla and Google are constantly innovating and disrupting industries. But what about the cost? Filing a lawsuit in small claims court can be relatively inexpensive, with filing fees ranging from $20 to $100, depending on the state and the amount of the claim. Additionally, you may need to pay for other expenses, such as serving the defendant with a summons or hiring a process server. However, the potential reward can be well worth the cost, especially if you're seeking to recover a significant amount of money, such as a debt or a mortgage payment. By understanding the costs and benefits, you'll be able to make an informed decision about whether to pursue a case in small claims court, and to navigate the complex world of finance and investment with confidence. So, what does this mean for you? If you're considering filing a lawsuit in small claims court, it's essential to understand the process and the potential outcomes. By being well prepared and presenting a strong case, you'll be able to increase your chances of winning and getting the compensation you deserve. Additionally, by understanding the costs and benefits, you'll be able to make an informed decision about whether to pursue a case in small claims court. Whether you're an individual or a business owner, the key to success lies in preparation and presentation, and by staying ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced market, where companies like Apple and Amazon are constantly innovating and disrupting industries. Looking to the future, it's clear that small claims court will continue to play a critical role in the U.S. legal system. As the economy continues to evolve, the number of cases is expected to rise, and the court will need to adapt to meet the changing needs of the public. With the help of technology, such as online legal resources and AI-powered tools, the court system will become more efficient and accessible, making it easier for individuals and businesses to navigate the legal process and achieve a successful outcome, whether they're seeking to resolve a dispute over a mortgage or real estate transaction, or simply looking for justice. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more information on how to navigate small claims court, be sure to check out our other videos, where we provide expert advice and insights on a range of topics, from finance and investment to insurance and real estate. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. By doing so, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced market, where companies like Google and Tesla are constantly innovating and disrupting industries. Join the conversation in the comments below, and let us know what you think about small claims court and the legal process. We'll see you in the next video.